Hi, welcome to VNS IT Python Weekly. So this is the first video in the Python Weekly program. So going forward on every Sunday, I will try to make a video on some interesting topic in the Python and I will post here. So in the first video, I came up with a topic like monthly wise best grown stock analysis. So in the stock market, click on the subscribe button and click icon to motivate me to make more videos like this. Also, if you are interested on a specific topic of the video or etc., please comment in the video section. I will make a video that. To start with the analysis, I have gathered the January data of the 2018 and 2019 to know which stocks has grown better. I took only 2 days data, which is on January 1st as well as the January 31st. So we can see the sample one. So I had the data like symbol, that means what is the stock name, and open price, what is the high, low, what is the low, and what is the close price. So what is the previous close, etc. This all these informations on the January 1st. So similar data, similar columns I had in the 4 files now. So let me go ahead and read those files into the Python data frame. So to read those files into the Python data frame, I am opening the Jupyter notebook. First I need to import the pandas. Similarly, to plot the graphs, I may require matplotlib. I will go ahead and read the data. So I will create data frame 1 19, data frame 0 1 19 equal to pandas dot read underscore csv, and I need to give the file name as it is a csv file. So my file name is January 0119.csv. So here you can see the file name is jan0119, that is Jan 1st 2019 data. So after reading that, you can see the data. I am giving dot head to know the first 5. So these are the data I had in the Jan 1st 2019. But I don't need all these columns on the first data. I need only the symbol as well as the open price. So now I will remove the all unwanted columns. So I will proceed with df 0119 equal to df 0119. The columns I need is symbol and open price. Now if you see df, yeah, small typo here. So now if you observe the data, df 0119 dot head had only 2 columns, symbol and open. Now I will proceed with df 0119 dot shape. Total I am having 1835 rows, 1835 rows and 2 columns. Similarly, I will read data on the 31st 2019 also. df 3119 equal to pandas dot read underscore csv, and my file name here is jan 3119 dot. So it contains the symbol on close. Now there may be some duplicates on the data, duplicate symbols on the data whichever I have gathered. So let me proceed and remove the duplicates. So df0119 dot drop duplicates. So while preparing the data, we may get some duplicate symbols also. So that is the reason I am proceeding and duplicating the removing the duplicates. Subset equal to symbol. So based on the I need to remove the duplicate symbols, comma, in place equal to true. Whoever reading this video, I suspect they are aware of the Python and pandas. Similarly, let me remove the duplicates in the 31st date also. df 0119 dot shape. So it has removed the duplicates. Previously we got. Similarly, let me take 3119 dot shape. So I got 1763 rows. Now I need to combine those two things. So I need to consider to calculate the percentage, I need the formula. The symbol should exist on the 31st data as well as on the first data. If I had only one data out of the two, then it is not useful for me. So to get that, I will do the inner join, or I will do the inner merge of the data frames. So for that, I will say df underscore final 19 equal to pandas dot merge df 0119 comma 3119 df 3119. So I need to do the inner merge. So by default it is going to be the inner merge. Now let me calculate df underscore final 19 dot shape. So finally I got 1685 stocks. Finally I got 1685 stocks after removing the unwanted data. So if you see the head df underscore final 19 dot head. So you had symbol open and close. Open is the first January 1st open price and close is the Jan 31st close price. So now I need to calculate the percentage. To calculate the percentage, first let me calculate the difference. df underscore final 19 of diff equal to df underscore final dot close minus df underscore final 19 dot open. So now if you see the at again the first 5 columns of the data frame, first 5 rows of the data frame, you will have a new column called the diff. Now let me calculate the percentage. The percentage is diff by open price into 100. So df underscore final 19 percent equals to df underscore final 19 of diff by df underscore final 19 of open into 100. So now we had df underscore final 19 dot head. So we got the complete data. So after getting the complete percentage, even we don't require what is the close, what is the open, what is the difference. We just only need the what is the symbol, that is what is the stock or what is the share and its percentage. So now let me go ahead and remove the unwanted columns. df underscore final 19 of I need symbol percent. So now df underscore final 19 dot head. Anyway, to get the better analysis, it is always better to sort those values. So now let me give df underscore final 19 dot sort underscore values by equal to percent comma in place equals to true. Now df underscore final 19 dot head. So it took the negative wise descending order. So let me include the ascending order. Sorry, it took the ascending order. Let me include the descending order because we always need the positive values. So this is the one of the stock which has grown most in the January 2019. It has grown almost like 80%. It has grown almost like 80%. Now let me draw the plot for this. So to draw the plot for all the 1685 stocks, it will be the clumsy. So I will take the top 100 and I will try to draw the plot. So IMG equal to, on the y-axis, I need the percent. df underscore final 19. It may take few seconds. I need the 100 draw the plot. So dot, even though it is looks clumsy dot, so let me increase the size comma fixed size. On the x-axis I need the symbol to 250. So now you can see the peak. It is very much clearer than the previous one, but still we are not able to see the images. So let me save into the local image and try to analyze that. So I will say IMA equal to IMA dot get underscore figure IMA dot save fig, and the file name I want to save is jan19.jpg. Sorry, it is IMA dot. Now you can see that it has created a file called jan19.jpg. So let me zoom it to get the clear picture of the stocks. So you can see the first one is Bill Energy, the second one is AGC Net, and you can do the same practice at your home on this, and you can see out of 100 talks which sector companies has the more number of companies, which sector has the more number of companies in the top 100. I have already observed that and identified IT sector has the more number of the companies. I observed it in the offline. That same procedure I will also do in the 2018. Now, as you are aware of how to do the procedure, I will do that in the offline to reduce the image video size. Okay, I have completed the 2018 analysis, January analysis also. Now, we will see what are the common stocks available in. So, in 2018, if you see that VISC signed VISESH info has grown 300%, Gemini has grown 118%, and etc. Now we will see that uh, how much it has grown. I have also saved the file previously, how it is. You can practice and you can save your information too. If you need data sets, if you are not aware of the getting the data sets of these four data sets, you can ping me in the comments or in the WhatsApp, etc. Then I will be helping you to how to get these data sets. Now we will see how many trades are available in the top 200 of the 18 as well as the 19. So df underscore result equal to df underscore final and 18. So first I need to do the inner one, pandas dot merge. I need df underscore final 18 comma df underscore final 19. I need only top 200. I have already sorted both the values 18 as well as the 19. So top 200 companies which has the highest profits in 2018 as well as in 2019 on symbol. Now if you see that df underscore result. So total we had 24 companies in the top 24, so top 200. So if you see here I had percentage x which is 18 and percentage y which is 19. If you see the HCL Tech in 2018 it has grown 10% in the January. In 2019 it has grown only 4%. Similarly, if you see the Infosys in 2018 it has grown 10%. In 2019 it has grown only 13%. And TCS. So we have seen the three IT companies and maybe one or two more also. So NIIT Tech, it is also an IT company. Mindtree, it is also an IT company. So I guess we had more number of IT companies in the top 200 in 2018 as well as in 2019. So we have seen the three IT companies and maybe one or two more also. So NIIT Tech, it is also an IT company. Mindtree, it is also an IT company. So I guess we had more number of IT companies in the top 200 in 2018 as well as in 2019. With this, I am taking a break and I will come up with a new topic in the next week. Mostly it will be GeoDjango or algo trading using the Python. With this, I am taking a break and I will come up with a new topic in the next week. Mostly it will be GeoDjango or algo trading using the Python.